In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the email address name on Gmail quickly and easily. This is a really useful fix if you want your emails to show a more professional name, update a personal name, or simply correct the display name people see when you send messages. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Once Gmail loads, sign into the account you want to update if you're not already logged in. After you're inside your inbox, look to the top right corner and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear or a little cog. From the quick settings menu, choose See All Settings. This will open the full Gmail settings page where you can control everything from your inbox layout to your sending name. Now, across the top of the settings page, click the Accounts and Import tab. This is the section where Gmail stores your account-related options, including sending mail, checking mail from other accounts, and more. Under the section labeled Send Mail As, you'll see the name currently being used when you send emails. Next to that entry, click Edit Info. This is the option that lets you change the display name that recipients see in their inbox. A small window will appear, and here you can enter the new display name you want. Type in the name exactly how you want it to appear when you send emails from Gmail. If you're using this for business, make sure it looks clean and professional. If it's for personal use, you can simply update it to your preferred name or nickname. Once you've entered the new name, double check it to make sure there are no spelling mistakes. After that, click Save Changes. Gmail will update the sender name for future emails, and from this point on, people should see the new display name when they receive messages from you. Keep in mind that this changes the name shown on outgoing email, not the actual email address itself. So if you were looking to change the Gmail address completely, that's a different process. But if your goal is to update the name people see, this is the exact setting you need. And that's it. You've successfully changed the email address name on Gmail. It only takes a couple of minutes once you know where to look. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and let me know in the comments what Gmail feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.